Coming in, yeah.
Life is already a very complicated subject, and I have my own personal few theories which I always like to follow to make at least my life simpler. And I believe if I share these things with you, probably your life can also become a little bit simpler. Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, back again with another video, and in this video, quickly, I want to share my two-circle theory of life which I've been following for so long. It's really simple. Let's talk about it. This teeny tiny stick figure is actually you. And this teeny tiny imperfect circle, yes, that's deliberately imperfect, this imperfect circle is the very closest thing that you can have, and it's really very thin circle. And this outer red monstrous looking circle is life. And yes, it's red, it's dangerous, and it can be absolutely brutal. The job of this red circle is to continuously shoot arrows on you. Now, life is such a brutal monster that it's always going to shoot arrows to you. These arrows represent the problems that you're going to face in life. I don't have time in my life, I don't have money in my life, and countless other excuses that are being thrown to you every single life. And I do understand these arrows are absolutely brutal. But what you can do about those arrows? The only protection from those arrows is this blue circle, and the only thing that you can do in the life is to thicken out the walls of this blue circle. So what actually is this blue circle? In order to make sure this blue circle around you just get thickens out, you have to do certain things in life, and there is no option because life is a continuous monster. It's gonna throw up, shoot these arrows every single time. And you can take all the days off that you want to, but life never stops. That means only you can stop to thicken out that circle, but life is never going to stop. It's going to continuously shoot the arrows. So the whole point is how you can thicken out that blue circle and can make your world a little bit stronger and a little bit safer. This blue circle is comprised of variety of things. For example, the first thing is how your professional life is going on. Whatever the subject you are trying to learn, whether it's programming, journalism, maybe design aspect, or maybe anything else, you need to master that subject. This is the very first layer that you should try to thicken out, and this is going to help you a lot. But this circle is not just about learning the things like professionally, it's also about a lot of new things as well. You need to learn and read a lot of books as well. The books that are written by amazing authors that helps you to have a little bit more productive life. And not only just these books, a lot of part is comprised by the travel experience as well. Travel makes you a better person, you are more respectful towards anything and everything. And not only that, the most important aspect about how you can thicken out that circle is family and friends. Now, it's not a one-way gateway that you can have in this circle that I'm always going to be protected by my families and friends. You need to give them equal time, and you need to be present when they demand your presence. This blue circle is a complete balance of your professional life, your productivity life, your reading life, your traveling life, and how you behave and act with your friends and family, and how you can gain the trust of your family so that instead of getting into the way of what you really want to do, they can stand along with you. And this is not at all an easy aspect. You're always gonna do some stuff so that they can trust you, and that's not easy part. And you need to work on this blue circle every single day to thicken it out, because these arrows are coming at you every single day. You can take off days as much as you want, but these arrows are coming up. And again, this blue circle is a very complicated subject. It also includes your health as well, because hitting the gym or running into the park or whatever you do for healthy life, it's also important. You can take rest for like a week, but life is not stopping in that week. So better stay healthy and keep on thinking out this circle. Now, since you have stayed so long in this video, I would like to give you one more master stroke to thicken out this circle. The one biggest stroke that you can play out to thicken this circle is to learn to say no. Eventually, when you are learning something, when you're trying to do something, there's going to be a lot of obstructions that are going to come. People are going to try to use your time, try to chat you through WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and a lot of things like that. And you need to understand when to say no, when to say yes. This no plays the biggest role in your success. A lot of people try to consume my time as well. It's not like I don't give them time, but there are some certain times when I had to come forward and say, no, I'm not available for this particular thing, or no, I'm not available for a personal meeting or anything like that. This no saves a lot of time, and I know it's really hard to say no to things like your friends and families, but sometimes you have to. So this is one of the many theories that I have in life, and I work every single day so that I can thicken out my blue circle. Are you working for it? Let me know in the comment section. Are you working every single day to make it stronger?
I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name.